Okay.
Film it, dude.
Okay, go. Big guy in a little car. Big guy in a little car.
You can do it.
Okay, okay, here's the first big guy.
Don't fart, dude.
Here's the first big guy.
Man, can your window roll down here?
Oh man, we're not the only ones filming.
Hey, you're staying in the back, okay? You got a G-string on? Dude, just go out on your hand. Oh,
Oh damn! Dude, you're a contortionist too? Whoa! Wow! One down.
thank God for being flexible.
There goes all that yoga.
It's like a freaking clown car, dude.
Lift your leg up like he did.
I really don't
you
think
do
I can do that, dude.
You should be taking yoga, Russ. Come on.
Oh yeah, I might be able to.
No, 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 you're gonna scratch your door. No, dude, I couldn't even make that. There's no way.
Close the door. We weren't supposed to find out about that.
Email this to your wife, man. Are you stripping now?
There he goes.
Almost.
Oh, don't try to get your butt out of there sideways. Yay! Oh, nice.
There you go.